On the last video I did from ZetaChain, I realized that we were using a stone security bait because it's a confirmed drop from XDEFI 70,000 Zeta tokens. So why not? We've done everything already basically. I just came over here and started claiming. So watch this. If you don't do this first one, you'll be able to do the second one, which is what we did in ZetaChain video. Remember, we're not claiming, we're just using it to create interactions on ZetaChain. You have to do this first one, which is more of following, then download the XDEFI wallet, import your Gauzy wallet, okay? Import your Gauzy wallet and opt in. Go to settings and click on opt in. I'm going to show you guys the steps though. It's a lot of following, but so according to the explanation that XDEFI gave, there are two ways to get the Zeta token. Okay, the first way is completing this task, which will give you the key. Is the key. Okay. Second one is completing the on-chain task, which will give you said chains. Okay. So I'm going to do the two. I will do the two. This is the first one. Get the key, and the last one just verify. So claim the OHC. Okay. Follow them through. Alright, so claim that. Now the second one is going to open. This is when you get Z chains. Okay. Alright, so we've done everything. You can see everything has even verified already. We did everything the other day, except the one that decides not to verify on time. So, okay. Says we should switch to Polygon. Polygon. Okay, let's just try and do another swap. I don't know why the swap did not. Let's try and do another swap. Let's reconnect our wallet. Let's see if we can get. Oh, there are only two tokens. Let's get the test tokens from here. Everything's always follow on Twitter. Follow on this. Get out. Just join their Discord. I'm not going to join. tweets to claim tokens or tweets. Alright, I'm going to go and get the link of the tweets. Yeah, I was gonna send message. Look at this. What's his name? I was gonna do Metis video next anyway. Alright, so let's just get this one. Do Metis after this video. That's the plan. Let's see if this guy is better than what I have. I'm gonna verify that. So I'm gonna mint the ETH and mint the BTC. Okay, let's see if we got it now. So we have one. So let's perform a swap as they say we should do. Alright, so we're done with the swap. Um, let's go over and confirm that. Well, there's the one that I say we should stake. We did stake, but it's not verified, so maybe we stake again. We staked, so maybe they want us to stake again. So we'll stake again. Let's see if it verifies this time. Nothing. Uh, Staking is not verifying. done this too. Verify your account. Okay, I just read from somewhere that some of the tasks take time to verify, so let's just do them and leave them. Okay, so I have this, you can see it's minted already. It's gonna take time to verify. Okay. Um yeah, this one we didn't get to do it. This one I just to add liquidity. So that one I know we've not done. So the last update of this one is today, 9:20. It's funny. So let's just wait. Like I said, some might take time, so let's just wait. We know that we've done those two. But this one now we need to figure a way to do it. Let's make those. Okay, we're supposed to get from Zoom, which is what I tried to do. For a reason I don't know. Izumi was not connecting, so let's try that again. Let me try and use Zoom. So I still not verifying. But in the meantime, let me try and figure out the. Alright, guys. So I was able to get the USDT and the wrapped Zeta from Izumi. Okay, so you guys can now we can come over here and add the liquidity. So we're supposed to approve both and add. Alright, spending, say spending here. Alright, successful, and that's it. So we'll go back to the browser task. Okay. So basically that's it, guys. Just wait for the rest to verify.